My upstairs neighbor is a complete and utter jackass. You hear that? I can feel the vibration from his stupid, loud music at all hours. By the way, it's not even coming from the room above this one. It's coming from the room over there. That's how loud this shit is. I can't escape it. Leaving the apartment is only temporary because I'm not sleeping outside when it's freezing cold. At least it's a little snappier. I go through these phases of listening to it and thinking, okay, it's fine, you know, I'll try to enjoy it. And then there's some that is just like, boom, 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 or whatever, and the bass is just, it's driving me insane. And this jackass goes to everybody else in this building and complains. But he does this shit. Hey, I think he heard me. Good. One night he came down and literally said, I don't appreciate the comments people are making about me. Oh, we're so sorry! I can't with this guy. I'm trying to hold on to the fact that this is just a sublet and I will be out of here soon. But oh my god, the people that have been living here for 4 years say not to go up there and not to say anything because that's their angle. Their angle is anytime he does come down and say something, that he has no room to complain because of this crap every single day at all hours. At 3 a.m., 5 a.m., 2 in the afternoon, doesn't matter. He is always loud. It sounds like freaking bowling up there, basketballs, literally, this is not an exaggeration, or this freaking music. Which had stopped now because he can hear me yelling about it. And I'm so glad. And I can't wait for him to bang on the door and ask what the hell's going on for me to say, you're an inconsiderate jerk. Because I've already been asked not to go upstairs by my roommates because their whole angle is that he can't complain because of what he does. But that doesn't mean you should have to put up with this. Oh, and he's got a girlfriend or something, and they literally have yelling matches every day, if not every other day, and it's ridiculous. It's insane, and it's driving me insane. So, if you've got an annoying neighbor, subscribe.